Hello. I want to talk about writing prompt number 3. The writing prompts have been exciting and interesting, and they've done remarkable things to kind of put you in a different mindset, make you think about things from a different perspective. Well, today's prompt is going to do that too. And I've been worried about something because I'm worried about how on brand or off brand potentially the last couple of prompts have been. They've been very good prompts, but they're not weird enough. And I'm often considered to be a little bit odd in some of the prompts that I do. So I'm going to try to get back on brand this week with the prompt that's a little bit odd. So I want to start off by talking about this website that I discovered. It's amazing. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. It's called Wikipedia. Wikipedia, I guess. Is that it? Is that how you say that? So I want you to go with me to wikipedia.org. Okay? So we're going to start the journey of this odd writing prompt with a visit to Wikipedia. And if you go on Wikipedia, you'll see on the left-hand bar, there are going to be a series of things: main page, contents, featured content, current events, random article. So today's prompt is going to be dependent upon that random article button on Wikipedia. What we're going to do is we are going to click on random article. And each of us will click on random article and find an entirely different random article. And I've got Wikipedia up on my screen. It's not up on yours, but you know how to do Wikipedia. You know what this site is. I'm going to click on random article, and whatever your random article is, I want it to play some role in whatever it is that you're writing or whatever it is that you're doing. Okay? So I'm going to click it on here. Try to find something that has a bit of a full entry. So I clicked on one and it was like a partial entry. It didn't have much. I didn't want to do that. I found this. So Jean-Georges Hafner is my entry. He was a medical doctor and the founder of the first spa located in Zoppot. I don't know what Zoppot is, but I'm intrigued. He came to the free city of Danzig in 1808 as a major in Napoleon's Grand Army. He was garrisoned there with the French army, in which he served as a surgeon. In Danzig, he married in 1908 Regina Caroline Bruns, the widow of Johann Christoph Boscher. And since 1811, he was practicing in the town as a civil medical doctor, too. He was also running a swimming bath. In addition, he carried out injections against cowpox. It's a great time to be alive. It sounds like 1811. When the French troops withdrew from the region in 1814, he remained. In 1823, he obtained the license and exclusive right to establish and operate a spa type of seaside resort in Zoppot from the Prussian authorities. The land along the beach, which was needed to realize the project, was handed over to him on the basis of hereditary leasehold. He built and financed himself a spa hotel and a number of bath pavilions. Great. So I'm going to write a story, a paragraph, couple paragraphs, whatever it is, that somehow is related to this guy, this character, this person. He's not a character, it was a long time ago. It's got a cool image of a monument of him somewhere too. So this entry has a statue. So I'll write this too. So what we're going to do is just write a couple of paragraphs that is in some way inspired by whatever you have clicked on with your random article click. Do I write something very literal about Jean-Georges Hafner? Maybe. Do I write something that ends up being more about spas and seaside resorts? Maybe. That's up to me. I want to make sure that whatever your piece is when you're done with it, that we can see where that original source material came from. So I don't want somebody, like for me to take this and then just write something about Napoleon's Grand Army. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem like it's quite fair. You want to have it something that is dealing with the content of the article, but how you handle that is up to you. But I want to make sure I see the article somehow represented within that. Sounds fun? That's the challenge, right? The weirder the article you get, you might feel disenchanted, but stay with it. As I said before, if you click it on and it ends up being like a partial article or just a name or a couple of things, you certainly can re-click it. Let's use those re-clicks wisely. Just because you get something and you don't like it, let's not completely give up. It's Wikipedia. You click a lot of random articles and it's going to give you a short article about a soccer player from somewhere else in the world. That happens. But let's try to stick with it. Let's live up to the challenge. I'm talking about the founder of the first spa located in Zoppot. I don't even know what Zoppot is, but I'm going to find out. So post your responses below. Make sure that you also read and respond to other people and what they're doing too. We'll probably not do a prompt next week. Allow us to kind of catch up. We're going through a lot of these and I want everybody to make sure they have it, but they're also fun. So let's do it. So find Wikipedia, click on random article, and then write a short piece inspired by it. Thanks, everybody. We will see you.